If you're looking for the best just released AI software that promises to change the way you handle forms and data collection, Customform AI is definitely one you need to check out. But before you dive in, there are 7 crucial things you need to know about this tool. I'll walk you through what makes Customform AI stand out, what you can expect from it, and why it might just be the solution you're looking for. First of all, what makes Customform AI different from other form building platforms? It's the automation and intelligent processing that comes with it. Customform AI doesn't just help you create forms, it optimizes them by integrating advanced AI that adjusts your form based on user responses. It can dynamically change questions, recommend additional fields, and even generate personalized follow-up forms based on the data collected. This is where its AI truly shines, making data collection more intuitive and efficient. Another standout feature is its ability to handle data securely and efficiently. Customform AI uses cutting-edge encryption protocols to ensure that all the information collected via forms remains protected. This is especially important if you're dealing with sensitive customer information. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or even a developer, knowing that your form data is safe gives you peace of mind. Plus, with its compliance with major privacy regulations, you don't have to worry about legal issues surrounding data protection. For anyone who's tried using traditional forms, you know how tedious it can be to set up and manage everything manually. With Customform AI, you can say goodbye to hours of repetitive work. The tool automates many of the tedious tasks like field validation and form submission handling, freeing up your time for more important tasks. This efficiency is a major time saver for teams and businesses looking to scale. The customization options are also top-notch. Customform AI offers robust design flexibility, which means you can tailor your forms to align with your brand's identity. Whether it's adjusting the layout, color scheme, or even integrating custom logos, this tool gives you the creative freedom to match your forms with your overall brand aesthetics. In terms of integrations, Customform AI supports a wide range of third-party platforms. From CRMs and email marketing tools to analytics platforms, you can easily integrate your forms with the tools you already use. This ensures that your data is seamlessly synced across platforms, making it easier to follow up, analyze, and convert leads into sales. Another feature that sets Customform AI apart is its real-time analytics. Once your forms are live, you can track how users are interacting with them in real time. This means you can quickly see if there are any bottlenecks in the process, make adjustments, and optimize your forms for better conversion rates. It's all about data-driven decisions, and this feature makes sure you're staying on top of things. Now, if you're still unsure whether Customform AI is for you, you can actually try it for free from the first link below. That's right, a free trial to explore everything the software has to offer. You'll get a first-hand look at the ease of use, AI-powered features, and the overall effectiveness of the platform. So, if you're in the market for an AI-powered form builder that's as intelligent as it is easy to use, Customform AI might just be the solution you're looking for. After trying thousands of AI tools, I found that this one stands out in terms of features, flexibility, and security. And as always, I've left my recommended AI software in the description below, so you can explore more tools for free and find the perfect fit for your business needs. Don't miss out. Try it for yourself today and see the difference.